I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for coming to the palace on this special day.
Happy birthday, Indumati!
Thanks a ton. All of you are my best friends, guys. And we've also brought this little gift for you, Princess. Well, I'm going to share this gift with all of you. Then you're not going to get even a single piece. Because Bheem is surely going to finish all of them.
Even I would like to give a priceless gift to Indumati today. Our dynasty has been protecting the special amulet for many centuries, and today I'd like to hand over the responsibility of guarding this amulet to Indumati.
According to me, the people of Samriddhi city love watching good plays. I think you should do a nice play for them.
It's a brilliant suggestion. Kids, you should trust me. You are going to enjoy this play very much.
Bheem, you will become a king. Chutki and Indumati will be your soldiers. Dholu, you will become the other king. Bholu, Kalia, Raju, Jaggu will be your soldiers. Oh no! Now, what should I do with y'all? Maybe you can act as soldiers in Bheem's team.
Be careful, friends! Save yourself from P2's joke and then from his whack.
P2, from where did King Silvan get these 3 lions?
We Romanian people are very fond of animals. We love to stay in peace and harmony with them. These 3 tigers, Romi, Babbar and Jani, have been living in this palace for 100 years.
Staying with animals in peace and harmony is such a beautiful thing.
Now let's focus on our play.
I'm actually feeling very nervous.
No need to worry, my dear. This will be the best play that Samriddhi city has ever seen in their life. It will be so emotional that people won't be able to hold their tears. Come on. Welcome to P2's amazing stage. Today the brave army of Dholakpur will enact for you a world war between King Bhimas and King Dholas the Great.
I'm Kalia the Great. I can't be a soldier. I should be the king.
Kalia, what are you trying to do?
Oh no! Get ready to fight with me, Raja Dholas.
Listen, we have to make them cry. We don't have to make them laugh. Come on, start the war.
Get ready for attack!
I got hurt. I accept my defeat, brave warrior. Please do not drop me again.
This is such a fantastic play. Wow, so much fun.
It's so funny. My tummy is hurting.
I must say, the kids of Dholakpur are brilliant actors.
We wanted the audience to cry for us, but all of them are laughing like crazy little kids.
It doesn't matter. I think people loved our play.
And I guess they also loved us.
Your wonderful idea worked, Pitu.
Oh yes, my idea did work. The audience loved each and everyone's performance.
Look up there! Dark clouds!
This means the sun will shine and there'll be rain too.
Finally, there will be some rain in Dholakpur.
And then we'll jump up and down in the puddles. What fun!
Aha, Bheem, children, come. Kalia and Dholu Bholu are already here to see my kitchen robot.
Kitchen robot?
Yes, made of glass, my helper in the kitchen can do so many jobs.
Oh, can he even scream like Kalia?
Oh no, what's this? The robot is out of control.
Hey, Dholu Bholu, why are you making him chase me? Oh no! We were just trying to make an omelette for you, boss. This way I'll become an omelette myself. Help me! Help me, someone! Help me!
What were you both up to?
Nothing. We had only pressed a few buttons.
Thank goodness you did not press all the buttons.
Is the remote not working properly, Professor Dhoomketu?
No, Bheem, this will not stop now.
But we have to stop it, or Kalia will be in danger. I am sorry, Professor. I only wanted to stop the robot from hurting Kalia, not break
I
it.
know, Bheem. It's good that this glass is of a different kind and I can fix it. I just need to collect all the pieces.
Wow, look at this beam. It's like a pretty little rainbow. Remember? Uncle was telling us a story yesterday about how the rainbow got made.
Which story?
The story of a very powerful dragon who made a rainbow in the sky so that he could defeat the cruel Hazak.
Really? And I thought a rainbow is formed when rays of the sun fall on water droplets and turn direction, and that's when we see the 7 colors.
This is something that went over our heads. As if you both understand everything that you're told. If we did, we would not have been with you. What did you say? I'll show you both.
Actually, now's the right weather for the rainbow to be seen. But for that, it has to rain too.
Someone's doing weird experiments out there. Oh no, run!
Huh? But who's doing these experiments? Huh?
I am doing them. Look over here. Up here. My name is Raman. Actually, I'm Avi uncle's nephew. And like him, I'm also an expert in science.
Clean up the house.
Huh?
Clean up the house.
And this is my robot called Dumbo.
Dumbo? Why Dumbo?
Because he's an expert in goofing up in every job he does.
Clean up the house.
Hey, stop it! Hey! Huh?
Clean up the house.
Huh?
Clean up, clean up, clean up.
But why is he throwing out everything?
Because I have given him the order to clean up the house.
Clean up, clean up, clean up.
Only Kolya can fix him up.
Clean up the house. Naughty boy. Clean up, clean up, clean up.
What are you
clean up,
doing?
clean up.
Stop hitting me!
How do I stop your Dumbo?
By pressing off his switch.
Huh? Who?
Clean up, clean up, clean up. Iron, iron, iron.
Oh no! He is now going to iron up all the clothes.
So what's the big problem in that?
Well, the problem is Dumbo will also iron those clothes which everyone is already wearing.
Oh!
Iron all the clothes.
What's this? Leave it!
Iron, iron.
Stop!
Iron.
Leave me! Let me go! What are you doing? Leave me!
Iron the
No!
clothes.
No! Leave me alone!
Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes.
This is the button to switch him off.
Oh.
94.
Looks like boss is going to touch 100 this time.
Yes, just like Bhim.
Hey boss, just 3 more to go.
And you will touch 100.
The designs on this book looks like it's from Egypt. I have some books in my collection from Egypt that help us to understand these designs.
How did a book from Egypt reach Dholakpur? We have to deal with books every day in our school. Isn't that enough that now we have to go through books in our holidays as well? I'm not going to read any book.
An explosion is about to happen. Get out, everyone, quickly!
Someone please help Diamond on this book has come out.
This book is opening by itself.
Come here, everyone.
At last, Jabaka is free after 10 long years.
We have landed somewhere far away from Egypt.
So then we will capture this country first until we reach Egypt and take over the kingdom of Meso. Jabaka's skeleton army, get ready!
I can smell trouble around me very easily, and I can smell big trouble.
My skeleton army will take care of you!
As you say, my king.
Wherever Jabaka goes, the fear of terror flows.
Your Highness, please listen to us. We must get out of here as soon as possible.
Can someone tell me what's going on?
Your Highness, the Black Warrior of Egypt, Jabaka, has entered Dholakpur and he's coming towards the palace. We have to get out of here quickly.
But how did Jabaka come here from Egypt?
He was imprisoned in a book. Accidentally, the book opened and he came outside.
Look!
My biggest fear has come alive.
Huh? Who are you?
I am Asim, Minister of Meso in Egypt. I made this path so someone could reach out to me. I wanted someone to contact me if Black Warrior ever manages to get out of his prison.
Asim, are you all right?
I can't stay in touch with you for a long time. Now, there is only one way to stop Jabaka. Try to find that book and that diamond quickly. If you get into any trouble, just say, shine, shimmer, glitter, glow, big star, more and more. You can't use this spell more than once. That's why think wisely before you use it.
We found it!
Catch them!
Father! Indumati, stop!
Give me that diamond!
What do we do now?
Shine, shimmer, glitter, glow, big star, more and more.
Shine, shimmer, glitter, glow, big star, more and more.
Who gave this spell to you? With this useless wooden sword, you can't do anything to me!
Asim will never give us a sword that is useless.
Your game is over, kid!
Here's your laddu.
No!